Hello everyone, and welcome to the Technical Service Window. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the new WebCheckout online program. So what is WebCheckout, you may ask? Well, WebCheckout is the new service that the Technical Service Window will be using going forward to rent out equipment as well as making room reservations for editing suites. Students can now create their own bookings online by using the WebCheckout patron portal or by stopping by the Technical Service Window. So where can you get access to it? Students can enter the WebCheckout patron portal by using the TSW's website, which is www.wpunj.edu/tsw. Or you can search the URL webcheckout.wpunj.edu/patron. So how do you use it? First, you sign into WebCheckout by using your existing William Paterson email and password. And when you first sign in, a tutorial video will pop up. If you have any additional questions after watching this video, this would be a great resource. Let's start by making an equipment booking. Navigate over to the equipment icon, and from here, you can see all the equipment available to you. Note that only the equipment that you have passed your competency test for will be visible in WebCheckout. For this example, I will be making a booking for a PMW and a tripod. First, I'll go over to the cameras, select the PMW, and then reserve one of this type. One convenient feature of WebCheckout is that there are related items down below. From here, we can select the tripod. For example, if you have a favorite tripod that you would like to book, you can go over to the Specific Items tab and choose the individual tripod. Now that we have selected all the items for our booking, we can now check out. Here, we can confirm all the items in our booking before proceeding. Just remember that equipment bookings have a maximum of 24 hours during the week. Anything beyond that time slot will give you an error. Let's say we wanted to make a 24-hour booking for this Friday. First, we'd select our start time, 12 p.m. on the 20th, and then our end time, 12 p.m. on the 21st. If we wanted to change this to a weekend booking, which must be after 12 p.m. on Fridays until 10 a.m. on Monday, we would have to keep the same 24-hour time slot on Friday, but then select the weekend booking icon to let the Technical Service Window know that you like a weekend booking instead of a 24-hour one. Lastly, we'll have to accept the terms and conditions before we can check out. If you would like to reserve an editing suite, the process is largely the same. First, you would select which type of suite you would like, audio or video. For this example, I'll choose an audio editing suite. Then, I'll navigate over to 301 and reserve one of this type. One important difference during checkout is that your editing bookings have a maximum of only 4 hours, so your reservation must reflect that. I will change the time slot, and now we can proceed. Let's say that you realize that you no longer need a reservation and would like to cancel. The easiest way to do that would be by going to your account. From here, you can select the reservation you would like to cancel and hit Cancel Reservation. However, if you would like to instead make adjustments to your booking, such as pickup time, you can select Edit Reservation. With the new WebCheckout system, late fees will now be paid differently.
And looks like you're a little late here, so you're gonna have to pay a fine.
However, fines will now be paid at the Technical Services window.
Oh, no, I can't accept cash. You're gonna have to pay with Pioneer.
Okay, how do I do that?
Okay, so there's a few different ways you can do this.
The first is to visit Hospitality Services, which can be found in University Commons, room 100. The second is you can pay via credit card using the website below. The third option is to use the VTM machines located on campus in the Chang Library Friends Lounge, Student Center main lobby, the Century Hall store, or on 1600 Valley Road. Lastly, you can call 973-720-6200 and use a credit card to add Pioneer Express to your student ID.
Alright man, here you go.
Thank you.
If you have any additional questions about WebCheckout, please stop by the Technical Services window for more information.